23 ABC's Digital Update is brought to you by West Medical.
Here's what's making headlines around Kern County. You can make your way to the California Living Museum for Twilight at Calm tomorrow night. The local zoo is inviting the public to come out between 5 and 8 p.m. You can bring a picnic dinner and enjoy some time with loved ones and, of course, animals. Admission is reduced to $5 for adults and $3 for kids between 3 and 12 years old. This special event continues until August 24th. And for the 27th year in a row, ag teachers from Kern County and other counties will come together for a 3-day seminar. It's the 27th installment of Teachers Ag Seminar at the Kern County Ag Pavilion. The 3-day program is designed to keep teachers give teachers an in-depth course on agriculture and learn from those who work every day to provide food and fiber. It also includes tours with local farmers and ranchers at the Kern County Fairs, School Garden, and other organizations. The seminar gets underway Monday and wraps up on Wednesday. Cal State Bakersfield and the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services are looking to better provide primary care for underserved areas in the Central Valley. That's why the department granted $2.8 million towards CSUB's nursing department. The grant will go towards a program called Transforming the Workforce from Education to Service. The purpose of the project is to increase the number of culturally competent and clinically prepared nurse practitioners committed to providing primary care in rural communities.
Well, Kern County felt temperatures that were below seasonal throughout the day, and that's going to be the case again tomorrow. A high of 97 degrees here in Bakersfield. We are going to continue to feel that fresh breeze, but then starting on Sunday, high pressure is going to be moving over the west coast. So that means we will be back to the triple digits for at least the 7 days after that. And actually during the middle of the week, we are tracking monsoonal moisture pushing into the county. That does bring up the chance for isolated thunderstorms in our mountain and desert cities.
Those triple digits are on the way. For the latest headlines, head to our website at turner23.com as well as our other social media outlets. Thank you.